Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe right now. As you sit or stand, reading or listening, there is a force pressing against you from every direction. You can't see it, you can't hear it, you don't even feel it. And yet, it's always there. This invisible force is called pressure, and once you understand it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. Let's begin. What is pressure? Pressure is simply force spread over an area. The more force in a smaller space, the greater the pressure. That's why. A sharp knife cuts easily, while a dull one struggles. Same force, different area, different pressure. Simple example. Imagine standing on soft ground. Now, stand barefoot and then stand wearing high heels. Same person, same weight. But suddenly, you sink deeper. Why? Because the pressure has increased. Pressure is everywhere. Air is not empty. It has weight. It pushes in all directions right now. The air above you is pressing down with enough force to crush you, but it doesn't, because the pressure inside your body pushes back, balanced, perfectly. Atmospheric pressure. This is called atmospheric pressure. It surrounds the entire Earth and changes with height. Climb a mountain and the pressure drops. Go underwater and the pressure rises. Underwater pressure. In water, pressure increases quickly. The deeper you go, the more force pushes on you. That's why deep-sea creatures are built differently and why humans need special equipment to go deep. Pressure in daily life. Pressure explains why suction cups stick, why planes fly, why your ears pop on airplanes, why drinking through a straw works. It's not magic. It's pressure. Invisible but powerful, even though you can't see it. Pressure is one of the most powerful forces in nature. It shapes weather, moves oceans, and even helps your body function. Inside your body, your blood flows because of pressure. Your lungs expand because of pressure differences. Every breath is a balance of pressure. Mind-blowing perspective. Think about this. If pressure suddenly disappeared, water would boil. At room temperature, your body would not function properly, and life, as we know it, would not exist. All because of pressure. So something you never notice, something invisible, is actually holding your world together. Now, pause for a moment. Feel the air around you. Even though you can't feel it directly, it's there. Pressing, balancing, supporting. And as you continue, you may begin to notice how often this invisible force shapes your reality. in the simplest actions and the biggest systems. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.